This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity Podcast, the Becker Business Minute. The story today is Microsoft. Microsoft is one of the great companies in America, sort of driven by Bill Gates and Steve Ballmer, and now their most current CEO. They are right now announcing layoffs. They expect to cut 10,000 jobs as some of their business sort of declines and slows. Microsoft has about 220,000 employees, reports Yahoo Finance. They're looking at cutting about 10,000 jobs. So that's about 5% of their workforce. Again, this is sort of very complicated because when you're a company that's that big, cutting 5% of your workforce, a lot of that's normal attrition, probably a 5% turnover, 10% turnover a year anyways. It's trying to make sure the right people are exiting versus the right people staying. And these are sort of both a response to two things. The response to the stock price getting hammered last year and trying to see a greater profitability. They're also a response to sort of normalizing business. You've got some of the revenues dropping and making sure they got the right headcount in line with those revenues. It takes tremendous discipline to do this. We'll see how it goes. They expect that the layoffs will result in a $1.2 billion charge, but in the long run, help their day-to-day, quarter-to-quarter operating profits. We'll see how it goes. It also announced it's slowing hiring in some of its different divisions. I'm an investor in Microsoft. I'm a later investor in Microsoft. That's gone very okay since I invested in it. It is what it is. I had great hopes that the cloud business, the Azure cloud business, would really continue to drop just incredible profits to Microsoft. Like I thought that the Amazon AWS profits would continue to drop tremendous profits to Amazon. I've been wrong on both those counts so far. But in any event, the story of the day is Microsoft dropping 10,000 employees within the next couple of quarters to get their sort of in a better spot, profit and loss wise. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity Podcast.